I made a device that detects whenever my parents enter my room and it instantly changes my tab. And here's how you can make it too.
Joy's Tech Invention!
First, download Auto Hotkey, create a new script, right-click, edit script, copy this and put this inside the script, save, then close. Then download Visual Studio Code, download Node.js, install these two libraries by typing npm i serial port and npm i child_process in command prompt. Then get your two Arduinos, your ping sensor, your two nRF24L01 modules. For your transmitter, connect your components like this. For your receiver, connect your components like this. And yes, I spent time making these. Then download the Arduino IDE and install the RF24 library. Plug in your Arduino, upload this code from my Discord for your transmitter Arduino, and upload this code for your receiver Arduino. You can now unplug your transmitter Arduino and power it with a 9-volt battery for ease. However, keep your receiver Arduino connected. Go back to your computer, create a new folder, name it whatever, open it in Visual Studio Code, create a JavaScript file, type npm install in terminal to download your dependencies, copy and paste my code from Discord. Make sure to change this part to the correct port for your receiver Arduino. You can check which one it is in Device Manager. Make sure to also change this to the correct location of your Auto Hotkey script. Then you can run your code by typing a node in the name of your JavaScript file. Now, every time the ping sensor detects an object, your tab will change. Yeah! If you need help, join my Discord and ping me or another teacher in the Discord and we'll be able to help you. Anyways, this invention is Joyce approved.